So let's make a bike check on my Lapierre Spicy 516 since I haven't done any videos on it. So yeah, here we go. There she is. The frame is of course a Lapierre Spicy 516 in size medium. It's pretty good. 66-degree head angle. Bottom bracket, I don't really know. I don't really care either. 142 by 12 rear, I believe. Yeah, starting up front, we got some Maxxis Minion DHF 2.5 wide. Mavic rims 719. I got a hub, Hope Proto hub, front hub, 200mm rollers at front, Avid Airlix CR brake, X-Fusion Vengeance fork in 170mm. Yeah, moving up to the cockpit, it's a Stevie Smith 780mm wide bar on a fun, I think it's a 40mm stem, could be a 35, not really sure, but it feels good. Nice short wide stem. No, not stem, cockpit, sorry. Bontrager grips, nice grips. SRAM X9 shifter, 9-speed. I think they are called triple BB or BBB bar ends. Avid Airlix CR brake back as well. I've reversed my braking, so this is my front brake, that's my rear brake. Moving back, there's a RockShox reverb, not the stealth one, because the frame doesn't have a stealth internal routing. Moving down, it's got a pair of Shimano SLX cranks. Sorry for the masking tape here, it's just for protection. E13 chain guard, specialized flat pedal, real nice. The pins are just replaceable at the front of the ends, but here at the back they're not, so that's a bit bummer. I got Cephal, I believe they're called, mudguard. The back one is broken. We'll not replace it because I'm gonna sell this bike. Yeah, moving back, Schwab Wicked Wheel in 235 width. SRAM X9, I believe it's a medium, could be a long gauge. 36 to 11, 34 tooth up front. SRAM chain, and this is just a tube wrapped around the frame. Yeah, of course there's a matching Mavic rim and a Hope Proto hub. Sounds pretty good, not too loud, not too quiet. I like it. The bike feels good, it's snappy, it's fun, I can't go wrong with it. Even though it's a 26-inch bike. That's the main, the main reason why I am gonna sell it. Why I'm gonna sell the bike. That's because I want to have a 27.5 wheel. So this lovely baby is gonna go away. But yeah, if you do find one of these bikes, don't be afraid to test ride one, because they're just absolute brilliant. They, yeah, super fun, super snappy. They got this medium style of way of geometry, so it's not super long up front, but it's not super short either. The chainstay length is not that long, it's pretty short. It's among the shorter ends of chainstays. So yeah, really stable, really fun, climbs if you got the leg muscle for it. Of course you can climb anything, but yeah, that's my bike. Unfortunately I'm not gonna have her, but I have had her for about 4 months. No, I'm sorry, 3 months, I believe. I changed her out from my Specialized demo and just swapped the bike. No money in between that. So yeah, I really like her. I'm feeling quite sad to sell this beauty. Yeah, saddle is a Asakit. Yeah, I really like her. Fuck it, let's hop on and go for a ride. So, she is really, really nice and friendly to ride. Ah! Yeah, and I mean, the cockpit is really wide, really nice, really stable. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. Oh man, am I gonna fit through here? Yes, I do. No problem. And yeah. What the hell is that noise? Or like, that sound? It's like peeping. And yeah, you can hear the hub really loud. It's not that loud, but it's nice. I'm 180 centimeters long. Feels good on this medium size. Yeah, I like it. Nice noise. So yeah, prop. Love dropper post. And the lizard, no, the Bontrager grips. The grips are, yeah, just basically some random grips. I mean, what the hell am I supposed to say about the grips? Oh man, I thought I was gonna go through there, but no, I didn't. So, yeah, that's right, my new school. One-handed. Oh, sorry. There's a bunch of glass there. Jesus Christ. Okay. It's an aluminum frame. It's not flat. Oh god. Ooh. Woo! Ooh. Damn, I'm good. Just one-handed. So yeah, this is my new school. It is Lindholmens Tekniska. It's quite blowy today. There's a lot of wind. Blowy? Is that even a word? Blowy? I don't think so. So I parked my bike there, and I walk up here. Here's the library, by the way. Yes. And here's my school. Let's see if it's open. Oh shit. No, it's not. Well, it's not too bad. So yes, that's my bike check. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, do whatever you want. So yeah, see you later.